Okay, hold up, guys. You are not going to believe what I just stumbled across.
Oh, yeah. What is it this time?
You sleep. Seriously, I did a double take when I saw this.
Yeah.
This stuff claims it's a revolutionary all-natural sleep aid. Their words.
Right.
And it's going to like support your body's natural rhythm and enhance sleep quality. Wild.
Right. Okay. Natural rhythm, enhanced quality sounds like standard sleep aid talk. But what's their spin?
Well, this is what got me. They're super clear. They don't use, high doses of melatonin or synthetic ingredients.
Ah, okay. That is interesting. A lot of products lean heavily on melatonin.
Exactly. Instead, they're all about plant-based ingredients. And
Yes.
get this, they say it's backed by decades of clinical research.
Decades. Plant-based. That definitely piques my interest. What kind of plants are we talking about, did they say?
They didn't list them right on the front page, but the idea,
Mm-hmm.
decades of research. I need to know more.
Sure.
Because they're saying the formula works by supporting the brain's sleep pressure system.
Sleep pressure, right. That buildup of tiredness throughout the day, adenosine and all that.
Yeah. So the idea is you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling, wait for it, truly refreshed.
Truly refreshed. Not just, functional, but actually good.
Yes, like properly good. And the long-term stuff they're talking about is kind of insane.
Go.
They're claiming it can, reset your sleep architecture over time.
Wow. Okay, so improving deep sleep, REM sleep, the actual structure of your night.
Mm-hmm. Promoting a restful, rejuvenating night. And then they say it boosts your mood, better focus, and increased energy.
Which all makes sense if you're sleeping better.
Sure. Wait for it. Along with a calm, useful glow.
A youthful glow from a sleep supplement.
I know. Is that even a thing? Can sleep give you a glow? I mean, maybe less tired looking, but a glow.
Well, look, good sleep is absolutely fundamental for skin repair, cell turnover, reducing stress hormones that can affect skin. So better skin, plausible. Youthful glow might be a bit of a marketing sparkle.
Marketing sparkle. I like that. Okay. Okay, fair. But the core idea, improving sleep architecture, that sounds legit.
Right. That's a very real and important concept in sleep science, yes. Optimizing those deep restorative stages is key. If a plant-based formula can genuinely support that process, that would be significant.
So who's this actually for? They say it's for pretty much anyone struggling with occasional sleep disturbances or just, looking to optimize their sleep for overall well-being.
So a pretty broad audience.
Totally. Like if you've ever stared at the ceiling at 3 a.m., this is supposedly for you.
Which is most people at some point.
Probably. And the reviews, oh my gosh, the reviews. Apparently it has these crazy 5-star ratings.
5 stars, consistently.
From verified purchasers, they say.
Yeah.
Like loads of them. 5 stars. Come on.
That's impressive. But you always have to take testimonials with a grain of salt,
Yeah.
Individual results can vary so much. What works like magic for one person might do nothing for another. Depends on body chemistry, the root cause of the sleep issue.
Yeah.
Lots of factors.
True. Fair point. So the big question, the million-dollar question, does it actually live up to all this hype?
That is the question.
Because that promise, fall asleep fast, stay asleep, wake up feeling amazing, that's the dream, literally.
It really is. And combining that with the plant-based angle, avoiding high-dose melatonin and claiming research backing, it's an intriguing package.
It really is. If they're actually supporting that sleep pressure system naturally, that feels different.
Exactly. It shifts the focus from just sedation to potentially supporting the body's own sleep mechanisms. If it holds up, it could be a valuable option.
Okay, so wrapping this up, based on everything they're putting out there, YouSleep is positioning itself as this supernatural plant-powered sleep miracle. Years of research helped you conk out faster, sleep like a log, wake up feeling incredible.
And maybe even glowing.
And maybe even glowing.
Yeah.
They're definitely not shy about the claims.
No, the key takeaways are that focus on natural ingredients, working with the brain's sleep pressure, not against it, and those potential long-term benefits for sleep structure and well-being.
Right.
And those high ratings add a layer of intrigue, even with the usual caveats about reviews. You'd really want to dig into that research they mentioned.
Totally. Seriously, though, you have to see this stuff for yourself. Check the link in the description below.
Definitely worth a look if sleep is on your mind.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today for this deep dive.
Always interesting.
Make sure to check out my other videos for more of my unfiltered thoughts.